Introduction. This chapter covers income from employment and the completion of steps 2 to 4 of the tax return. Income from an office or employment is the type of income most commonly reported on the tax return. In fact, employment income is reported on about 70% of all income tax returns filed. This chapter examines the nature of employment income, how it is reported by employers to employees, and how employees report it on their tax returns. It also explains how to deduct certain employment-related expenses. Chapter 2. Employment income and expenses. Objectives. At the conclusion of this chapter, you will be able to complete the identification area of an individual's tax return, report the types of employment income, salaries, wages, etc. that are shown on T4 slips. Report the types of employment income that are not usually shown on T4 slips. Determine the amount of wage loss replacement plan benefits to include in employment income. Determine the amount of research grants to include in employment income. Explain how to claim a deduction of RPP contributions. Determine whether a taxpayer qualifies for a deduction of PRPP contributions. Apply union dues and professional or similar dues to a tax return. Claim repayments of employment income where applicable. Explain how to claim the security options deduction. Define who may claim the Canadian Forces personnel and police deduction. Partially complete a tax return to calculate net income and taxable income.